Hey, what's up guys? It's Kevin Pack here. It's a beautiful time in the e-commerce world as things are starting to shift back to normal after this whole pandemic, and the opportunity in the e-commerce space is bigger than ever. As there's a lot more newbies in the e-commerce business world, I want to give you guys this video to help you on your Amazon business and help you not make some dumb choices. And so we're going to do a video on 5 products that you should not be selling on Amazon as a beginner. I'm really about to save you guys a bag right now and save you a lot of stress, a lot of headache. I know, you're welcome. I mean, the best thing you could do to help me and maybe thank me back is maybe liking the video, maybe subscribing. Do it. Just a disclaimer though, this is just going to be a recommendation for Amazon beginners. If you have experience on Amazon selling already, then you're more than welcome to try out these products, but we want to just minimize our risks and just have a better success rate. So I just recommend that you don't do this as a beginner, newbie starting fresh on Amazon. Not saying you can't be successful with these products, but again, you need to have a little bit more experience before you actually dabble into these products. So before we get started, let me show you guys my sales currently so far so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller and I don't talk no BS. Alright, check that out. I'm gonna refresh that. Boom, there you go. 16 sales, $400 so far. A little over $26,000 in the last 30 days. For a while, most of my products have been out of stock, but one of them have just gotten back in stock. So things are starting to climb up a little bit more. So I have 2 active products. I still need 1 more that needs to come in, but 2 active products now literally just came in a couple days ago. So we are slowly climbing. Product number 1 are going to be electronics. Electronics are notorious for getting customer returns and also bad customer reviews and troubleshooting issues. If you have customers that are constantly returning your product or having problems figuring it out, you're gonna get a lot of bad reviews, and this is really gonna hurt your Amazon listing and it's gonna lead to your sales just declining. You might do really well for a few weeks, but then once those reviews start coming in, it's gonna start dropping off. Next thing you know, you got a major L and like $10,000 down the drain. You wanna source much more simpler products that are not gonna be too complicated, so that way you can get better reviews and you'll have less complications in your customer service. Product number 2 are going to be any topical items. Now these are going to be products that are like beauty related or anything that gotta do with your skin and make your skin all pretty and everything. These products require some certifications and approvals and it takes forever to get these done. And so if you don't have prior experience with these products in the beginning, then you really should avoid them, because the last thing you want is a lawsuit because somebody got a skin infection because of you. Let's save those lawsuits for another day, okay? Let's not get it started right now. Product number 3 are going to be any food items. All food products require some kind of FDA approval and some testing as well, because you can't be out here giving your customers food that's gonna give them diarrhea. Like, that ain't it. And then you're gonna just have a bunch of lawsuits coming in. So again, save the lawsuits, my guys. Unless you have experience in this realm, don't do it. Save it for another time. Product number 4 are gonna be any product variations. So this means products that are gonna be like different colors, if you're gonna have different sizes or anything of that. It's better not to just start off with these products. Start off with products that are just one, because you're gonna have a lot of issues just trying to get all these sizes and colors launched up, and it's gonna complicate your listing, and overall it's just messy. It is just messy when you have 4 products you have to worry about instead of just 1. Just focus on 1 for your first product. Don't go into variations. Once you have a few successful products, like 4 or 5 or something like that, then dabble into some variations, and then you can start seeing success with that. Product number 5 are gonna be any gated or restricted products. Now, if it's a restricted product, don't even waste your time trying, because Amazon's just gonna take down your listing. So just forget about that idea. Now, if it's a gated category though, that's very different. Gated categories require approval. So if you can get the documents ready or get the approval, you can try out these products. But doing this in the beginning when you're starting off is such a hassle. So you don't wanna do this. You don't want any barriers to it. But the bright side is when you have these kind of barriers, it's less competitive because not everyone's doing it. So that's the bright side of all of that. But we want to simplify this and also increase our chances of success. So let's kind of stay away from these gated ones. But once you start getting a little bit more experience, you have a couple more products in, then start going into gated categories, because of course they are less competitive. Now overall, again, if you already have a few successful products, then in the future you could dabble into any of these. You could dabble into any of these. But we want that experience first. Let's get your feet wet. Let's start having a few successful products, and then you can start getting into more advanced territory where you can handle that load, because you already have experience back then where it's like, okay, these problems won't really mean much to you now. This is only gonna push you further, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not jump into the flames just yet, all right? So just chill out. Start off with much more simpler products that don't require any approvals or anything like that. There's plenty of products you guys can get into that are not competitive, that don't require any approval of any sort. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you found it also very informative. I will catch you guys in the next one. If you like this, then go ahead and like it. Subscribe for more content. Of course, go make that money. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.